So I got this package from my Ola, and guess what it says? Apple, Euan, new, unused. Let's see what I get. I hope this is the one that I wish for.
Let's unbox this.
We got this things and a charger. And let's see what is in here. What is this? For real? This is actually my Beats. Well, let's see if it fits. It fits! Alright, so it's the same thing. And let's see what are in here. So I think this is where you put it. That right there. See, because there's a little hole. And I think this is the charger. If you guys think this was a charger, you're right. I think. And then charge it. Yes! So it's charging right now, I think. It's charging. Alright. Now let's see if this fits me. Whoa, it does! Thanks for watching. I'm gonna try my Beats now.